I'm starting the Python course. From today onwards, I will upload the video one by one, okay, regarding Python. In this course, I will discuss each and every topic of Python like data types, variables, stack, queue, functions, everything I will discuss in this course. So this is the today is the first video and this is the introduction video of the Python. So I will teach you something. Suppose if if you want to learn Python and your system configuration is not very good, so you can use cloud-based editor, ID editor, or we can say ID. Google provides cloud-based editor, cloud-based IDE, and also Git also provide Git code space for the for the Python development. These both are the cloud-based IDE. Okay, Google also provide with the name Google Colab. Okay, Google provide Google Colab with the name Google Colab. This is the this is the cloud-based IDE. Suppose you want to learn, you want to execute your code, then you can go Google Colab. Okay, just search Google Colab and you can execute your code here. If your system configuration is not good, then you can go with Google Colab. Or you have another option is Git code space. Git code space. You have another option is Git code space, which is provided by the Git. So GitHub code space gets you up and coding faster with fully configured secure cloud development environment native to GitHub. It gives just like Visual Studio Code environment, okay, and also Google Colab provide the cloud-based IDE to execute and to learn Python. Okay, you have two options. If your system configuration is not good or you are unable to run your code in Visual Studio, then you have better option to go with Google Colab or Google Git code space. Okay, so one by one I will discuss how to run our code in Google Colab and code space. Okay, suppose I have opened Google Colab. Now you can open here file and you can open new notebook in Drive. This Google Colab is connected to your Google Drive. You need to just log in with Google and this whatever you have write file, all these things is managed in the Google Drive. Okay, and this is the editor now open. Okay, and you can connect your runtime. So runtime type is Python 3 and hardware accelerator is CPU and T4 GPU. These are the free and these are the for premium. When you go with premium, then these are enabled. Okay, this is a free. That's why these two are enabled. But it's enough to execute or develop your code. Okay, no problem. So this is the things and here you can see your RAM and how much spaces you get. The disk spaces is this one you get 107 GB and the total RAM is 12 GB 12.67 GB you get to execute This cloud-based editor. Google provide cloud-based editor. In this editor, you get this much RAM for 12.67 and this space 107.72 GB space of hard disk. Okay, so you can easily develop or run your Python code here, no, without any issue. And you can suppose you have write some file, then you can download your file from here. Okay, so this is the file name. You can change your file name, rename notebook, and you can download your notebook either in download .py Python extension and that IPYNB means Jupyter Notebook extension. Both are valid and both you can execute. Okay, I will discuss what is the difference between these two .py and IPYNB. So in further next video. Okay, the here you can create your table of contents, folders, everything you can manage here. Okay, suppose the sample thing, sample JSONs, comma separated value, the CSV file. You can upload. You can upload. You can create new file, new folder. Here everything you can manage, and this you can download. Okay, everything you can manage. Suppose you want to run your code, then this is the cell where you can run your Python code. Suppose I have write 2 plus 2 2 plus 2 and press shift enter, then your code will be executed. This is a shift enter is a shortcut, or here also you can uh, when you click on this icon, then your code will be executed. Okay, so you can easily execute your code. And this is the cell where you can write your code. This is the cell where you can write your code, and when we press shift enter or press this icon, then you can execute your code. Okay, just you want to here just hover the mouse, just here the mouse, hover the mouse, and when you click on the code, then you get the next new cell to write your Python code. Or if you want to add a new text, then here if you click on the text, then here you can add text. Okay, suppose you want to add a bold text, then you can write here. Okay, Python code, shift enter, that is executed, and you have added the text here. Okay, and suppose uh, suppose you have the list like that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and here you want to print the print list. Just very, the Python is very high level language. Okay, just you can no need to declare the list and what type of list. No, nothing. Just create a list 1 2 3 4 5. Hold in some variable, and the variable type is don't need to define declare the type of the what type of the list. This can be hold. This is the data type in the integer, and this is the integer array, so this can hold easily, no problem. This is this automatically this compiler understand this list is the array of the integer or list of integer, so it's automatically managed. Okay, this is the very high level. Python is very high level language, and this is very easy language. I think Python is easier than C sharp. Okay, So you just hold the list here, integer list, and just print and pass the list name. That's list is printed here. Okay. So this is the introduction video. So I will uh, make the video uh, regarding each and everything regarding the variables, declaration, data types, and linked list, stack, queues, collection, everything I will discuss one by one with examples, searching, sorting techniques, all on discussed in this further videos. So this is the introduction video and first video. So just I'm introducing you the cloud-based editor that give the features and feelings of Visual Studio. But I will just introducing the these both cloud-based IDE, Codespace, and Google Colab. Google Colab is provided by the Google, and Codespace is provided by the GitHub. So this is the uh, two IDs provided by two different companies, means cloud-based IDE. Okay, but in next in next videos I will discuss on the our personal ID, that is Visual Studio, and local I will install locally and we will work on that. But you need to know these also we have the cloud-based editor if the system configuration is not good, so you can use this cloud-based editor. Okay, now you can you know about this Google Colab. So in future we will discuss uh, on the Visual Studio. Okay, so you can rename the file and download this file, everything you can do like that. Code space, we just introduce you the code space. So you code space provide the templates, React template, Jupyter notebook template. Jupyter notebook is and the extension is IPYNB. This is the Jupyter notebook. Okay, and or .NET template, this is provided, but here we use this blank template. Okay, and this is the well this code space just give the feature or just provide as like Visual Studio. You are just running Visual Studio on local. Okay, Google Code provide just cloud-based ID, but you feel that is the Visual Studio, same like Visual Studio. You feel that I'm working locally on Visual Studio. The code spaces provide just like Visual Studio environment and themes. You feel that I'm working on local system. Hmm. So same thing provided by the code space. So here like Visual Studio, you can create file. Okay, these things, add extension, everything you can do here. Okay, so what we will do, suppose I want to create a file. Here you can create a file folder, everything you can do like Visual Studio. So I have created, one second, just it's taking time. New text file. It's taking time, so it's taking too much time. Now I think this is ready. To work with the Google Code Space, you need to log in with GitHub. Okay, you need to log in with GitHub. You need to sign up on GitHub and log in with GitHub. Okay, so I have ID on GitHub. So say with the same ID, I have logged in on the code space. Okay, so that you need to do like that. Okay, that's why in when you open text file or terminal, suppose I have opened the terminal. 1 second. Terminal, new terminal. Then you can see Zaheer.91 because on GitHub my name is I have the ID with the name Zaheer91. Okay, with the same GitHub ID, you need to log in the code space also. Okay, that's why it's showing 91. I already logged in the GitHub. Okay, that's why I picked the GitHub ID and logged in here. Okay, in code space also. Now it's I think configured, so we need to create a file Python uh, hello.py. This is the Python file, and second I will create first pyynb. This is the Jupyter notebook extension. Okay, so here you can go to the hello.py, and here do you want to install the recommended Python extension? Just install. So this in showing the intelligence, you can install these things. Okay, suppose you have write 2 plus 2 and enter. Here answer is 4. Open in browser. You can also connect to the browser and you can run. Okay, you need to install here. And 1 second, just 2 plus 2 print hello world. If you enter, then go to the next line. If you shift enter, then this will print. Okay, this is the command you have written and this is the output. Okay, shift enter, you get the output. Okay, suppose here I have write mm, a list like that in code space, list equal to like that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma like that we have typed the list, or you can pass list uh, Mary like that. You can string also you can put the string, no problem, it will manage. Enter, create the object array like that. You can pass the list and just press shift enter, you get class list. Here you can write clear to clear the screen. See here, clear, not working, clear is not working, I think. Or you can write here another way, you can write here Python, 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 and you can write file name hello.py, hello.py. You can run Python file like this also. Uh, py, hello.py, hello.py. Install. Like that you can run, I think, see clear screen is not working here. Okay, so you can use IP1 UNB. Just click on the code and just create in the IPYNB format. When you click on the code, just create the cell. Okay, and here you can enter E2 plus 2 like that. Shift enter. Here you can get your answer. Just suggesting the enable extension. Jupyter extension is installing. Okay. 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 I think the setup and configuration is currently doing in the background. That's why it's taking time. So because it's first time I have opened this code space like that. So it's the first time. That's why it's taking time. So press enter, shift enter, you can get the answer. Suppose I created the list here. List equal to like that. If I create the 1 comma 2 comma 3 like that and print list list and shift enter, then you get the answer like that. And if I create the list with string also, then suppose what happened, Mary, and shift enter like that, then Mary also printed, no problem. That's why I'm saying that in py file. when you create the array with array with the combination of integer and string, then no problem. But here is the some problem with configuration. That's why is giving some example. I just here you can enter, just you are getting the output. Okay, and here in PY just you getting the answer. You can add a code and mark down generate like that. You can in a pynb file, you can just write your python code and execute here, no problem at all. I will show you these all things on the Visual Studio, and same thing you can do here in code space in Google Colab. Both the places you can do. In further video I will discuss about the Anaconda installation, Visual Studio Code installation on the local machine. These all I will discuss, and after that we will install. After installation, we will discuss on the Python core parts like variable, data type, constant, loops, and collection, data structure, everything I will discuss. Okay, this is the introduction video, so I think that's all. In further video, I will discuss later. Okay, thank you.